It's been months since I seen a vacuum put out. Middle of February, and it's 25 below. So I'm going to throw it in my trunk. Should be safe. There should be no bugs in there. And if there is, they're frozen. Bissell Powerforce bagless. Easy empty. Okay, I'm going to throw it in my trunk and never know. Okay, I got my mask on. Okay, we're ready to plug it in for the first time and see what's what. I wonder if the brush bar is working. Well, brush bar isn't working. Let's see if there's suction. Nothing. I don't think it'll even pick up snow. Look at that. Oh, yeah. It's definitely plugged. Okay, let's look at the filter. First thing. Look at that. Here, I'm going to put this down. You can see that. Okay, I'm going to try it without the filter for a second. There's a little filter in there too. Just a little filter. Take the filter out. We'll dump this in the garbage. I'm just using no filter for a second just to test it. To see if we have suction. Okay. It'll puff smoke, it'll puff dust for sure. Still not much suction. The hose must be plugged. Or up here. Okay. See what's up here. Look at that. Oh, okay. I'm going to leave this off for a second. It's definitely got hair on it. Okay. Try it again. Okay. here's what they look like. Okay, there's one more filter in there. I don't know if it's a HEPA filter, but I'll take that one off. See, this is where the air blows out of the machine, out of the motor. It's plugged too, so I'll just leave that off. Okay, I'll start it up again. You can just see it puffing out. That's a lot better suction. Let's check and see if the hose is plugged. You just want to drop something down there like a rock or something, or a stick. In my case, I'll drop a little piece of ice down and see if it falls out. How about that much? Yeah, it came right out. So there's nothing plugged in the hose. And it's got the attachments. Okay, let's move the camera down a little bit. We'll see if the brush bar is spinning properly just by my hand. Because sometimes these brush bars, they melt on the edges. But this one here, no, see how it's nicely spinning? So it's definitely not melted, just the belt is burnt off of it. And I do have belts. And at the same time, you want to check and see if this hose here is plugged, which is this hose. I'll bang those filters out. I'll set the camera up at the garbage bin and just show you how much is coming off that. I still got my mask on. Here's the first filter. There's one. That's two. Here, let me take that out of there. Okay. And this one is the main filter. It's got a foam ring around it. Oh, see, it's... Now I could bang that. I'll just show you that for a second here. This filter, you can wash it in water, but make sure you really dry it good before you put it on back in the vacuum. Okay. I think I'm done. Got my gloves all dust. Okay. I'm gonna put it all back together and put it into storage for until it's springtime. Back up in here. I'll attach the hose. Keep everything together. Plug it. Okay, we'll see you in the spring. We'll vacuum you.